G'day, I'm Greg and welcome to the shed. I bought a little grinder. Yeah, I know. It's a little one. Weighs about, from what I can work out, it weighs about 1,300 kilos. It's 24 inch or 600mm wheels. It's got new wheels on it. This one's just fractionally out around by a couple of mil. Surprise, surprise. It had more paint on it, but I've been taking some paint off. But there's another video that I'm going to do about that. How to remove paint quick and easy without getting rust everywhere, so you can just leave it. But yeah, so what we have here is a Luke and Spencer duplex high-speed grinder. Now, it's got a 10 horsepower motor in it. Yeah, that's right, 10 horsepower. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fire it up. I'll get it running, and then we'll let it wind down, and then I'll give you a guided tour around it. Let's fire it up. Half a day's work on this, couldn't you? The wheel, this side, it's got the fine wheel on it. It's 2 inches wide. The wheel on that side, the right hand side, as you look at the machine, is 2.5 inches wide. That's the coarse wheel. The other day I was grinding some 16mm or 5/8 flat bar, and you know, only be oxycut. And yeah, anyone would think that I was grinding a piece of 2mm. It was quick, it was easy. And the edges I knocked out, if I'd been doing it on an 8 inch or a 10 inch, or with the angle grinder, it would have been an hour's work, and I knocked them out in just 5 or 6 minutes. It was only 4 pieces. But the only way to describe it was unbelievably quick. Yeah, it takes a while to slow down, hey. A serious amount of time. Now, I believe these machines were originally made for removing casting flash. Now, when you got your castings, you take them out, they've got a bit of flash on them, you lean on it with one of these. And it doesn't stay there for very long. So, now that it's pretty much stopped, what we'll do is we'll go around the back and I'll give you a guided tour. Now I'm going to go freehand on this, just so you get a bit of an idea. Down the bottom here, that's a clean out door. It has its own built-in dust extraction system, which I need to put a stovepipe on it. But basically it's got 2 centrifugal fans here. And my phone rings. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, we're off the stand, we're freehand. So down in here we've got the dust extraction system. I've taken the back door off. So that's 10 horsepower. There's a set of belts on this side with step pulleys, and a set of belts on this side with step pulleys. Over here we've got belt tensioner, which I'm going to wrestle with for a second. Yeah, I got it backed off. So I've got the belt tension dropped off. There's a reason for that, because what I can do, the reason for the step pulleys, and there's a gremlin here because you got to get all this stuff lined up. So the reason for the step pulleys is as the wheels wear down, let's get this where you can see it, as the wheels wear down, you can increase the speed of the wheel. Now, when I turn this wheel, the other shaft doesn't turn. They're actually independent. This here drives the fans, the extraction fans, and as the side here is complete, the side here looks like it's got, that's what the problem is. There was a, what's the name, a bolt in there that stops you getting the things in, but I've just realised this side, or not just realised, I knew this side wasn't together right, but this side is. So what you've got here is, as the wheels wear down, this here sets your guide position for what pulleys you should be running. So what you have to do is you have to loosen this off, push it in, goes a step, you increase your speed, and you've got a guide slot up here to make sure it all stays true. Bearing housing in here, I need to have a look in that. I haven't had a chance to go through it thoroughly yet, and I know that you guys can't see. There we go. It's not as well lit up as I'd like, but it is what it is. And I've got to get the wiring sorted out in here. We'll put a proper control box on it so that the e-stop works properly. But yeah, got the back door off it. It's just a cover. But just so you can see, this wheel here spins. There's a little bit of belt drag, that's why you see the other one moving. It might be better to see it this way. But there's no common shaft through there. So there it is, a little grinder. As I said on my Instagram and Facebook pages, you know, I need to build a bigger bench for my grinder, and someone said, well, it's the grinder's for grinding benches. But yeah, so thanks very much for watching, and please subscribe.